The wait is finally over. The Sony Xperia 2 2026 is here, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Sony has once again proven why it remains one of the most innovative names in smartphone technology. From design to performance, everything about the Xperia 2 screams perfection. Starting with the design, this phone features a stunning glass metal body that feels ultra-premium in the hand. The curved edges and matte finish give it a sleek, futuristic look. On the front, you get a 6.8-inch 120Hz AMOLED display that delivers breathtaking visuals, making it ideal for gaming, movies, and everyday use. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor powers this device with unmatched speed and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing 8K videos, the Xperia 2 handles it all smoothly. And speaking of 8K, the camera system is one of Sony's best yet, featuring a 200 megapixels main sensor with professional-level detail, low light clarity, and cinematic video recording capabilities. Battery life is another highlight. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery and 120W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in minutes, keeping you powered all day long. Combine that with Android 15, IP68 water resistance, and Dolby Vision sound, and you've got one of the most complete smartphones of 2026. So, if you're looking for a perfect blend of power, beauty, and performance, the Sony Xperia 2 is the flagship to watch. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more amazing smartphone reviews every day.